Can holding in a sneeze cause brain damage? Ever stifled a sneeze in public to avoid the awkwardness? You might want to let it rip next time. Holding in a sneeze can build pressure up to 24 times greater than a normal sneeze. That force can rupture blood vessels in your head or neck, damage your eardrums, and in rare cases, yes, rare, cause a brain hemorrhage or stroke. In one bizarre case, a man tore his throat trying to suppress a sneeze. Your body designed sneezes as powerful expulsions to protect you. Blocking them is like clamping a fire hose. It might sound polite, but it's medically risky. So next time the urge hits, grab a tissue, not your nose. Shocked? Like this video, drop a comment if you're a sneeze stifler, and subscribe for more weird health warnings you won't hear from your doctor.